Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. Fresh out of the paint shop, huh Mike?
Yes.
It's a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 tribute car. And it's beautiful, geez. So where do we start with this?
Well, this was in the shop for around a year.
Okay.
They got a new top, new windshield. The motor's been replaced. It has a 455 with a mild cam.
Okay.
The front end's all been redone. Transmission is new. Highway gears, so you could cruise around 75 miles an hour with no issues at all.
Yeah, keep up with
Everything
traffic.
works as it should. Got a custom stereo system in it with the amplifier in the trunk. The car has been meticulously taken care of. The tires are good, and I also have the original numbers matching motor that goes with the car.
Beautiful.
Which is a 350 V8.
350, okay.
Yeah.
Paint's beautiful. It's finished in Porsche red. Feels like you could reach your hand right into it. Got the glass back window on the top too, which is also brand new. It's the first time it's been down, right Mike?
Yes.
It's got American racing wheels, wrapped in really good rubber. These tires are like brand new. Freshly rebuilt 455. Power steering, power brakes, everything brand new under the hood. Man, I love the paint.
Yeah, they did an exceptional job, let me tell you.
Beautiful. Power top also. All this stainless and everything here looks all brand new
They
too.
replaced a lot of stainless on the car, the bright work. A couple of pieces that could use to be replaced still, but
yeah,
down the road.
sure. Looks great. Got all the seat belts in here.
Yes.
Right 442 wheel. Nice lofty bench seat. Put your girlfriend right next to you, right? Cruising down.
All of them.
You can fit them all in here, right, Mike?
Yes.
So it's got 484 miles on the restoration? Is that what you did?
Exactly right. Since
Cool.
it's been restored.
Pioneer stereo. It's got an amp in the trunk. Again, power top, all the seat belts. Custom center console. Full gauges, so you get the oil, water, and fuel is up here as well. Man, I love it.
It's a very pretty body style.
Gentleman's muscle car. Door panels are beautiful. Looks like a new dash pad. Let's check out under the hood.
Good.
Damn, 455. 'Tis the rocket.
Runs good. It's got a little lope to it with the cam.
Mm-hmm.
But let me tell you, it's nice when you get on the highway to do 70, 75 miles an hour and only running around 2,200 RPMs.
Yeah,
And the car's got plenty of power from a dead stop.
really nice.
You got to be careful of the way you take off because it just lights the tires up.
Nothing wrong with that. Fire it up. Looks like he's got a 650 double pumper under there. Electronic.
750.
750, huh, Mike? Headers. Didn't even get in the car. Those are hooker headers too. Those aren't cheap. Edelbrock manifold. Again, power steering, power brakes, power top. Beautiful shape. No rust anywhere on this car. Ready to go. All the lights work, wipers work, heat work. Horn blows. Beautiful. Got a nice sound to it. Got a mild cam. It's not too crazy, but good enough. guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks again for showing us the car, Mike.
Very welcome.